Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be talking all about my Lilly Pulitzer planner and how I use it to stay organized in school. I love it. It's so cute, it's so colorful, it's so me because it's bright pink, but honestly staying organized in school is so important because it just kind of helps you keep track of like your grades, what's due, and I think having a planner is so helpful because like sometimes I'll be like, oh, I'll remember that, and by the time I get home or even like 30 minutes after the class ends, I'm like, oh my gosh, what do I have to do? And surprisingly, even though it's my first week, I already have so much homework, and I just got home from class. As you guys will see, I don't have most of my homework done, but it's okay. My classes meet once a week, so I still have some time to do it. So if you guys haven't seen a Lilly Pulitzer planner, I'm going to give you guys a little flip through and show you what the pages look like and also how I keep track of my monthly and weekly spread. But if you guys enjoy this video, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. I make similar videos. I love the preppy style, and let's just get right into it. So this is the cover. It's super cute. It has like gold metallic in it, which I just think looks so pretty, and this is the August 2018 through December 2019, so it's not for this academic school year. I got it at Christmas, so come December I might have to get a new planner, but that's okay. So opening it up, it just has this front page and it says, if lost, please return to. I never filled it out. Personally, I just think that's a little too much information that I'm like, if I lose my planner, I'm just gonna start new. And then it just has this little half page and it has a little pocket. I put my Kellyprepster sticker, which I have Kellyprepster stickers listed on my Etsy shop if you guys want to check that out. And then I just have a little pack of stickers that I picked up at Michael's in there, and I like to use those on my weekly and monthly spreads. Then on the back side, it just has another similar pocket. I didn't do anything to it. And then it just has the backstory of Lilly Pulitzer, how it started, all that fun stuff. And then on the back page of that, it was just a plain green page, and I printed off this quote from Pinterest and taped it on. It just says, confidence is not they will like me. Confidence is I'll be fine if they don't. I just thought that was really empowering and I really liked it, so I printed it off and taped it in there. Then it comes with 2 sheets of these planner stickers, which are great for your monthly and weekly spreads. Personally, I love using these. I feel like they just make it look so cute and colorful. And then it just has a blank page behind it, and I taped on 2 quotes from Pinterest, and it says, the fact that you aren't where you want to be should be enough motivation. I thought that was very inspiring. And then of course a pink one, and it says, do one thing every day that scares you. And I just love the look of that. It's very inspiring. And then it has a page for your goals for 2019. I was so lazy at the beginning of the year, I just put a post-it note of my goals on here, but we'll get into my goals. So one of my goals was to floss every day, which I have been doing. I'm so proud of myself because flossing is like part of my routine now. My second goal was to read 2 books a month. It's kind of happening. Like, I feel like some months I'll read like 4 books and then the next month I won't read any, so you know, averaging it out, I probably have. Journal and start a gratitude journal. I've been journaling every single day. It's changed my life, and that is one thing I would recommend to everyone. And then my last goal is to eat clean. We're doing pretty well. We have our moments though. And then it's just another really fun Lilly print that's plain, and then it has the 2018 quick calendar where it's really tiny. And then it has 2019 and 2020. Still can't believe it's gonna be 2020 soon. Like, that just sounds so crazy. And then it has dates to celebrate. I have a few of my friends' birthdays, my family's birthdays, and like aunts and uncles and stuff, which is really fun. Then it has the escape plan, which is a travel itinerary. I haven't filled this out. I don't really use this that often because I don't travel a ton. And it has a few pages of that. It has its own little tab, and then you can go to the next tab, which is your addresses. And you can put people's phone numbers, address, email address in here, which is awesome. Personally, I keep that all on my phone. Then it has a little category for notes. I haven't used this yet, but I think I will. Like at school, I just like need a piece of paper and I'll write random stuff down. And then it goes into your months. And it is currently August of 2019, which is so crazy that the year's almost over. And this is what the monthly artwork looks like. And you guys, once you use a Lilly planner, there are so many fun old Lilly planner crafts that you can do. I have a video with a DIY on it. I will insert the card if you guys want to check it out. But basically, like, cut these up and make really cool stuff with them once you're done with your planner. And this is what the monthly spread of August looks like for me. just like a quick little overview for you guys, and I will go into detail. So I have these stickers, and these are little stickers that I tape in, and I got these at Michael's as well, and I color coordinated my pens, and I will show you guys what pens and pencils I use next. So I did black as to do, pink as Instagram, purple YouTube, green is workout, blue is social, and 6 is school. So take note, I just started school the last week of August, and my September spread is a little different because I rearranged it a little bit. But basically, like, I wrote like photo shoot, film, because I like have to plan my filming days, especially since I've been doing daily videos for the month of August. It's been a little hectic, but so much fun. So let me know if you guys have been enjoying the daily videos. And I would like write down when me and my friends went out. I have giveaways tracked. We went to like the sunflower field. I reached 13,000 subscribers. Like just fun little stuff and kind of like really colorful. So that was like a majority of the summer spread. The September one looks a little bit different. And then going to this week, this is what my weekly spread looks like so far. It is currently Wednesday when I'm filming this. It's going up on Thursday, so that's why this isn't filled out yet. But this is basically what it looks like. So Monday I had an orthodontist appointment. I don't have braces, but I still go see my orthodontist, and we like work on my teeth in case you guys are wondering. I went to a 5:30 a.m. spin class. Tuesday I put like a big thing around it because it was my first day of school. It was just kind of like exciting, and I used orange for my school stuff. But so in the September spread, I recolor coordinated all my pens to match my classes that I'm taking, which I'll share with you guys. But so I take 2 classes a day. Typically it's like an hour and 20 minutes for English, and then my other classes are all 3 hours long. So I have a 3-hour long math class on Tuesday night. So what I do is I just write down the subject and then next to it in a pen, because I write this down beforehand, like at the beginning of the week. That lawnmower is really loud. At the beginning of the week, so then when I'm in class I will just use the pen that I'm currently using and write down the assignment. So for English I had to read chapter 1 and chapter 2 and do an online check-in, and then in math we went over 3 chapters and we have homework on that, and I have to download my textbook, which is so awesome that we have a free textbook for math. So that's just what it looks like, and I highlight it when I'm done. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I still have a ton of homework to do, but it's okay. So then on Wednesday I had my 5:45 a.m. spin class. Tuesday there's no spin class at my gym, so that's like my new rest day. And then I just had my media survey class, and we have to read and I have to email my professors. Then I had photography, and I have 15 pictures and I have to upload them, and then I have a reading assignment with a quiz, which should be fun. And so then on Thursday, this is what it looks like before I go to class. I have English and then media design, and so it's empty like this, and then I write it in pen, and then I have my spin classes as a workout in the top corner so I don't forget and kind of have an idea, and then I also know if I worked out that day or not. So that is how I do my weekly spread. Let me show you guys a September real fast. It's not done because it hasn't started yet, but I will show you guys the little key that I made. So this is what it looks like. I color coordinated it. I did English in blue, math in red, photography in purple, media design in green, media survey in orange, and then black as my social life, because I still like putting my social life in this spread even though I use it in my day designer as well. I put a little motivational quote in here that says work hard, and then like my birthday's coming up, I have Labor Day weekend, I'm getting my hair done. I have stuff I have to add to this, but I haven't got around to it yet. But that is basically how I'm going to be using the monthly spread. I do want to share with you guys my favorite pens that I use in my planner. So to color coordinate them all, I use these Paper Mate Flair pens, and they're so inexpensive, you guys. I picked them up at Target. There's so many different colors. I think this is like the basic pack. It's like the cheapest one, but they have a variety pack. You can get so many different colors, which is so awesome. But for me, they don't bleed through the pages. They're kind of like a fun felt tip pen. Then I also keep a mechanical pencil, some sort of pencil with me, especially if it's like questionable. Like if I'm not sure, like if I have homework or if the plans maybe will happen, I will write it in pencil. That way if it doesn't happen, I can just erase it. I love this pen. It is the Pilot G2. I seriously feel like my penmanship looks so good when I use this. It just flows really well. It's very inky. It doesn't bleed through the pages. And then to cross off any of my finished work, I use a highlighter. I've been loving this blue highlighter. I just feel like it looks really nice and it's just kind of like done. But that is how I use my Lilly Pulitzer agenda for school. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Do you color coordinate your stuff, or do you just use like one pen or pencil? I'm curious. So definitely let me know. I do try my best to respond back to every single comment, and I can't thank you guys enough for wishing me me a great week at school. You guys have left so many sweet comments on my YouTube and Instagram, and you guys are seriously just the sweetest. So I love you guys so much, and I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with my next daily video. Bye guys!